Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today I have a bit of a freestyle video for you guys. I had a vision of this hairstyle and I wanted to try it out, so I thought I would just record it for you guys. This is kind of my take on the goddess ponytail, goddess braids. It's like a cross between the two. This style is very fun, you know, just very unique, and I actually just had a vision and I wanted to just film it. So it's actual braids, like my normal feed-in braids that I already have a video on, with just some curls attached to it. Like, that's it. I have so many variations of this double braid style, so it's just double braids with curls, guys. If you want to see, you can keep on watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hey to all my new subscribers, thumbs up the video if you like the style, and let's get into it right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my hair. I'm using this raw shea butter. I'm gonna have the brand listed down below. I'm just applying some shea butter to moisturize my hair a little bit, because this is actually an old flat iron job that I did, and right here it was just about approaching a week. Now you guys know it's humid as hell in Jamaica, so flat iron jobs won't really last very long, but my hair was still very soft. It was just actually dry, so I just applied the shea butter to give it some moisture, and you know, it helped a lot, especially toward like the ends of my hair. Then I'm just going to comb that through to make sure that the hair is detangled, because when you're doing the feed-in braids, your hair has to be detangled or you're gonna have snags every time you try to pull the hair through. So I'm just detangling the sections, and now I'm going to be parting my hair where I want my braids to start and all of that. Now this same technique is the one I used for my actual feed-in, my first feed-in braid look. So it's the same braid pattern. I'm actually using the Yaman braiding hair today, and I just wanted to show that to you guys, but I won't be lingering too much on the double braids because I already have an official video for it. If you guys haven't seen it yet, check it out. I'm using the Morphos Ocean hair wax, and it's really good, just for a little bit of hold. I'm using that around the edges of my hair before I begin braiding, but I won't be lingering too much on this. You guys have seen this technique several times, and for my feed-in braids I put my hair under, not on top, and nothing has changed with the technique that I normally use, so I won't be lingering on this. This is just another variation of my feed-in braids, so I'm gonna link the original tutorial on the screen for you guys to check it out if you haven't seen it as yet, but I'm pretty much just gonna skip over this part because you guys have seen it so many times. So after braiding my hair down, this is what it looks like, and now all I'm going to be doing is adding some curls. This particular hair that I'm using to add the curls, I'm going to have the name listed below, but it's just leftover hair. This isn't even a half a pack, but I'm going to be splitting that into two and using that to do each braid. So I have done one side off camera, and that's what it looks like, and I'm just going to show you guys how I add the curls for the other side. So what I'll be doing is just taking my crochet needle with the latch hook, and I'm just basically going to crochet those curls on. There are two ways to do it. The first is just pulling through the hair with the hair split in half, one side on each part of the braid, and then you're just going to tie two knots, and then that will be it. So that's the first way. Very easy. The second technique is pulling the hair through and running the ends of the hair through the loop created by the middle part of the hair. Just run that through and then create a knot. So either one of the ways is fine because they'll both be secure. It's just that with curly hair you have to make sure that it's knotted properly, or it's just going to unravel and then that won't be cute. So I'm just spreading out the curls so that they have a nice fall. If all of the curls are placed on one level, then it's going to look very odd, so you have to actually just go up the length of the braid. I'm actually going toward the top back part of my head as well to add some curls there, so that not all the curls are long, but I'm just basically freestyling, guys, just to give it a cute little goddess look, you know, something that is curly but at the same time kinky. The contrast between the kinky and the curly hair is really cute. So I'm just adding the curls all throughout. After adding my curls, then I'm going to accessorize, and I'm just adding these little gems that you can get at any dollar store, just to give it that, you know, goddess vibe. It really isn't the same without adding the gems, so I'm just going through and adding as much gems as I want. They're different kinds, but these you can regularly get in any hair store, and they're very cheap. And guys, no, I did not notice that one of my earrings was missing, but whatever. I'm gonna be using some more wax on my edges to give it that nice slicked back fresh look, because you know those nappies don't stay down unless you put something on them. So I'm gonna just brush that into the front part of my hair to make it laid. You can actually tie this down with a scarf if you want the results to last longer, but you know. But that's it, guys. This is the finished look. It's so easy. This style can last you up to a week and a half with maintenance. But it's just a really simple style. I'm glad I tried it because I had it in my head and I just wondered what it would look like if I mix the two styles together, and this is what it looks like. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do try it, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram and all my social media platforms. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.